Hi. Now we are going to see in the mill toolpath, slot toolpath, and feature-based machining. Feature-based machining. So the feature-based machining is available in the drilling also. Okay. We are going to see in this class. First of all, we will see slot mill. For that, I will make one small geometry. So you need to make one slot mill shape. First I will make one rectangle. Okay. I will make one line and one more line I will make it. So I made three slot here. I will offset. Just offset it. This contour should be closed, so I will take a circle, 2-point circle. So later on I will trim this uh, other portion of the circle. Undo. Mm, so you can say clear colors. So now we'll make one stock definition here. Stock setup. You can say bounding box. Otherwise, you can select the entity also. You can give the thickness here. So 25 mm. So I just want my stock should be below. So I just change here. I think again I need to do the bounding box. Okay, I select the corner. Thickness I will give. Okay. Now we are ready for slot milling. We will take first we will analyze what is the diameter of this. What is the minimum cutter you can use. Your tool should be less than the 50% of that tool. So slot diameter. So we can go for a dia 10 tool. Okay. Oh, accept. Okay. Accept. Third one. Accept. Okay. So three slot we have taken. Then you select a tool. So I took a 10 tool because slot width is 15. So parameters you can give. Give the plunge rates. Here is the stock. If you want, you can keep now. Here roughing option or finishing operation. This is the entry, helical ramp entry. So 1 degree step over is given 50%. You can accept it, no problem. Basically, everything it is explained by picture. You can see that. So depth of cut you can change. So 0.5 I am giving. So there is no opening. I am not doing this. I will accept this. Now make it absolute here minus. Okay, I keep absolute. So just to switch on the coolant now. Okay, okay, accept. Now you can see the tool path is generated. This is about the slot milling. Because of the diameter size in a single pass, this entire slot is possible to machine. Suppose this tool diameter is less, means it will make 2 or 3 passes additionally. Number of passes may increase. The same thing you can do it in the contour toolpath itself. Um, but advantage of this is you can do both roughing and finishing together in the same toolpath. So now I took a bigger diameter. I will delete it and I will make us use small diameter now. 6 I have taken. Okay. So regenerate. Now you can see the additional passes it has created for roughing. So it does the roughing also and finishing. This is the advantage of a slot milling application. Okay. If you take a contour tool path, means then you need to do roughing one time and another is finishing. Means pocketing one time and contour for finishing. That is not necessary here. So everything done in the single shot. This is the specific application oriented toolpaths for that. Okay. So if you want, we can save this file. Okay. Okay. This is all about the short toolpath. So the next we will say. Um, so next we see the feature based machine. So it's kind of auto tool pathing. So for that you need one sample file. So I'll search my old data and select one sample file. One thing remember that it should have a solid model for this toolpath and it should have stock setup done. These two things are important. Model should be a solid model and stock setup should be completed for this use of this particular toolpath. Okay, so I'll go. I'll select this. Okay. Okay, this I'll select. So make it isometric. This is a solid model and already stock is defined. So this same model you can use both FMB mill and FMB drill together. Now I will make my own zero setting. This model already they have made it, but I will make my own. I will say bounding box. I will select the model. Okay. So now I move to origin. So we will make little bigger in size. 140. This will make it 100. So now we'll go to translate, move to origin, this edge. Okay. Now we'll reset this top. Say bounding box. So I'll select all. Okay. Okay. Now I have a solid model and stock setup finished. So now we are going for the feature based milling we are going to do. Feature means it will analyze the model wherever the cavity is there, projections is there. All these features it will analyze and understand and it will machine. So we can say that it's a auto tool pathing beginning. Okay. Uh, so what is the disadvantage of this tool path is so it will make a lot of unnecessary tool paths. But this tool path is made for the especially for the beginners and for them easily how to make tool path. So very fast they will make the tool path and feel satisfied now. One more advantage is for estimation purpose you can utilize this tool path. Okay. If you do by your own tool path, so you can do it this entire model by 3 operation or 4 operation. But if you do it this with the feature based machining, then it tests automatically in many tool paths. So that is a disadvantage. Okay. So newcomers for college student and for them it is making feel that that's CAM programming is easy. That feel you can bring by showing this tool path. Okay. So other application, other use I told you for estimation purpose, you want to just understand how much time will take to machine this component. So you can utilize this tool path to estimate the timing. Okay. So I'll select FMB. So for this two things are important as I already told. It should be a solid model you need and it should have stock setup is done on the solid model. So it will come to that page. Now you can switch on preferred tool is only in the library you can say. Don't give create tool as you want but you give a tool as per library. Selection you can do top view only. You can do front side also you can do. You need to rough out outside, yes, and finish outside the pass, yes. Okay. Remaining you no need to do anything, just you accept. So it automatically does all the toolpath. Okay. So this is nothing but a auto toolpathing. So only one disadvantage is the efficiency of programming. I mean to say, number of operation it makes so many number of operations, but that is a disadvantage. Okay, it's generating now. But toolpath will works very fine. You can utilize this toolpath for machining. But the disadvantage is it use number of tools more and number of operation is more. That is the disadvantage. If it is given to you for normal machining, if you do it, so it has made around. So it makes a zone and zone wise it makes a machining. So that's the reason it you can see that how it has machined now zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. Like this it makes zone and it will machine. Zone 4 outer it has machined. So you can select. No, we have not done anything here. Okay, it does automatically. Okay, you can select all and you can machine and see how it is look like. This is the feature based machining. Here we no need to do anything. It automatically does all the required programming. So this is the feature based machining or milling. Feature based milling. Okay. So I have explained here what is advantage and disadvantage. So the same component you can use for drilling, feature based drilling. So now I'll just rearrange this. Next I'll go for toolpath. So now we have seen feature based milling we have seen. Now we'll go for feature based drilling. So some holes are through holes, some holes are blind holes. So let us see here toolpath feature based drilling. You can switch on the detect drill automatically here. Just like that you can just detect, you switch on and accept, that's all. Remaining thing it does its own, you no need to worry on this. So this is the feature based drilling operation, you can see here. So now it has done drilling also. This is the feature based drilling. uh, drilling it is giving good output only when compared to milling. Something went wrong, so just I'll regenerate. Now we'll combinedly will take and simulate and see how it is look like. So now we have made both the things, feature based milling and feature based drilling together. So we can select all and verify. So here you no need to do anything, it does all the pre-drilling and next size drill, all the things it will take care, you no need to do. So that's advantage here. So when compared to milling, drilling it does very nice only. You can select all, and FMB mill and FMB drill you can select and verify. Okay, this is all about feature based machining. Thank you.